Hello everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. It's 2021, January, first official week, so it's time to get back to reality, which wasn't easy for me either, I tell you. So before we go back to these technical and singing videos, I would like to talk about a very important topic because I face a lot with this problem with the people I work with, and it's called patience. I know, yeah. It's quite annoying, but we have to talk about this. Here is the ugly truth. There are no such thing as instant solution. Learning is a transition. But what does it mean? Basically, if you go to the gym and you go home, you watch yourself in the mirror and you don't see any results. So you go the next day and still, same, no results. So you might think that it's not working and it's not effective, so most of the time we quit. But if you believe that you have the right coach and you have access to the right exercises, and if you carry on the workout, you don't know which day, but at some point you will see the result. Learning is not an event, it's a process. Just like changing is not an event, it is a process. So it's not about the event, it's not about the intensity, it's about the consistency. Again, what does it mean? If you spend 10 hours in the gym, that's not gonna get you in shape. Just like if you sing 10 hours a day, it's not gonna help you to learn to sing. But if you spend 30 minutes every single day with singing, and you carry on the practice, again, you don't know which day, but at some point, you will feel the result, and that will help you to learn how to sing. Of course, it's not entirely our fault, because the current industry is all about instant solutions, like watch this video and you're gonna know instantly how to sing, or learn to sing in 30 days, or 4 days course, 2 weeks course. That's not how it works when you learn something. It's about the daily practice, and it's about those boring exercises. The boring exercises are the most important thing here. I tell you honestly, I cannot tell you one thing that will help you to learn how to sing. But I can give you all the tools, all the instructions, and all the explanations you need to practice in order to learn how to sing and how to master a technique. Practice, and only practice, will give you the desired results. Happy New Year!